tiki torches. This guy's dressed in military garb. He must work on one of the deals. What's she gonna do? The Jungle Cruise because there's a 10-minute wait. Look at the glass elephant. The map. Alright, here we are. It's only a 10-minute wait, so we should be going pretty soon. You can hear all the corny jokes. I'll be your guide as far as we get. Check out the spider. Spider lovers. Alright, made it up to the roof. There's that glass elephant. Cool. Check out the piranha. Yeah, it's got piranha on it. Camouflage. There's another mallard duck. So read the medicine.
Piranha liver oil. You can have a bland pill, witch hazel, of course.
What's a bland
Tummy
pill for?
Tonic. I don't know if you're feeling bland that day, but there's other stuff I can't see that good. Parts of this thing that I've never seen before.
They may have added some stuff. Let's say there, comments on time, no issues,
Mostly on time. No
lost
problem.
radio,
No
on
luggage.
time, leaking, delayed. Hey, they've got their laundry. Look at these lovely pugs on the wall. There's a big, I'm moving. Butterflies are cool. Some big scorpions, cave-dwelling spiders. Lovely. Alright, we're getting closer, going to the turnstile here. Coming through.
Your parents watch your children, because I don't get paid enough. Well, in case you guys missed it, this is the Amazon report. So it rains 365 days a year.
If we missed it.
That's almost every day. If you look up here to the right, we have the mysterious temple, the Forbidden Eye, where the famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is searching for the world's greatest treasure. Now, I don't know why he's looking in there, because clearly I'm standing right here. We are now entering an ancient Cambodian shrine built by ancient Cambodian shriners. If you look up to the left, we have a tiger. Now, a tiger can jump up to 20 feet. But don't worry, we're only 15 feet away, so he'll just jump right over us. If you look up here to the left, my friends from high school are here. Now, I've actually never seen so many elephants at once. It's really unheard of. But feel free to take out your cameras. They all have their trunks on. Now, kids, if you look up here to the right, we have Bertha. Now, Bertha is a perfect example of why we don't stay in the shower for too long. You become an elephant. We are now moving on to banana country. Keep your eyes peeled out because we might need to split. Oh no! Get down! Get down! I thought we talked about this. Now, I know a lot of you might think that's water coming out of his trunk, but it's not. Whoa, an explosion!
It's not.
Should we get closer? Hey, thank you guys. I never put you in any real danger, of course. Wait, how did that gorilla get a gun? And they left the lights on my feet. Now I'm never going to be able to get that thing to turn over. If you look up here to the left, we have some bamboo. Now, bamboo can grow up to 6 stories tall. Some people say it's 7, but that's a whole other story. Coming up ahead, we have the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. It's named after the famous explorer and the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Falls. And don't worry, we'll be going over that one later.
Uh-oh. Get into the water.
Well, folks, we are now on the Nile River. It is the longest river in the world, and this goes on for miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably into Nile. If you look up here to the right, we have an African bull elephant. Now, does anyone here know how we can tell that it's an African elephant? It's because we're in Africa. Welcome to the African belt. I don't think anyone's ever been here before. Quite the treat for us. Oh my gosh, we got some bearded cows, some long-necked cheetahs, some striped ponies. How cute.
Striped pony.
Now we have a pack of lions enjoying their favorite meal. Zebra on the rocks. It's a lot of separation though. It's like light meat, dark meat, light meat, dark meat. Do you guys see what I see? There are so many rocks on that shore. Oh, Zebra Felix. Oh, should we try to help him? Or? Nah, that's too much paperwork. I don't want to file that. We are now moving on to the hippo pool. Just last week they fixed 6 boats. Tours. Only 5 of them were mine, so. Now I hear hippos are only dangerous when they're wiggling their ears and blowing bubbles. Wait, is that what they're doing? Not to worry, everyone, I can scare them away. I just saved your life. You're welcome. Not to worry, animal lovers, that ammo, just like my mind. It's blank. Yeah, there's something going on out there. That's why I'm the skipper, folks. When I'm in the jungle, I like to stay armed. And light. Now, we were just talking about Skipper Felix, and I think this is his boat here.
Yeah.
Really see my job is so easy that a monkey can do it, but those are apes. So, joke's on them, really. Oh my gosh, I don't want to speed that so well. Let's cruise on out of here. Oh my goodness, we were in for a real treat. If you guys look to the left, my favorite chimp in the whole world is here. Her name is Annette. She's actually really sweet, nothing but her. No, it's true. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. It is the most amazing, stupendous, colossal, eighth wonder of the world. It's the backside of water. It looks nothing like the front side of water. I promise. It's so kind of hope. Backside of water. Now we've been out here for a while and I'm pretty hungry. My boss Alberta tells me that this is a really great place to go fishing.
Piranha.
I'm starving. Oh! I think we got some movement here. Oh no, it's piranha! Oh no! If they get to their account, I think we need to get out of here. Piranha will eat us for dinner. Look at that got Boa sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes a very constricting relationship. Oh, and of course, all great rides end with a gift shop. Am I right? We have Trader Sam's here. Now I know what you all must be thinking. We're not paying these monkeys. They're just doing it for the exposure, of course. Smile for the picture? I'm just kidding. We don't do that here. We are nearing the most dangerous part of our journey together. It is not home to civilization, sadly. Now they say time flies when you're having fun, so these last 3 weeks felt a lot like 10 minutes to me. Now up here we have a dock on the left and a dock on the right, and around here we call that a paradox. If you look up there, the pair of dorks are going to be helping out of the boat today.
That was a good one.
I actually really love being a skipper. My parents are really proud of my brother who became a doctor. Well, say la vie. Well, if you guys enjoyed your tour today, my name is Skipper Cam, but if you didn't, my name is Skipper Felix, and this is the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Well, that was awesome as usual.
Well, from all of us here at the Jungle Navigation Company, I hope you had a wonderful time today. You guys were absolutely outstanding. Now that you're outstanding on that dock. Just like my parents told me on my 18th birthday, get out. And I'm just kidding, please, get out. Thank you all so much for joining us. Water so I can exit out the rear dock so I can exit out the center there. Please watch your head. Use those handrails. If you miss the step in your head, please watch your legs.
You gotta love that. The tour guides are the best part of the ride.